Hello guys, today I discuss that the step 2 in Adobe Photoshop. Choose a main color from the color pickers in Adobe Photoshop. Discuss with you step by step. The color picker opens images in the temporary blocked by the whichever color is currently selected. By default it is black. The selected color is color pickers blocks the images from view. In the color picker, choose the color you want to use. At this point we just need the hue and the main colors. We come back and object the statement, straighten the brightness a moment. I have choose a reddish pink. Click OK to close and color pickers, and now the new colors black images. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.